Alright, it's arriving now. Here the green happens on that subway line because here's the lock. Alright, here we are at the Westwood City. Let's go grabs. Nah, it's right here. Alright, here at the Westwood City at the International Terminal 1. So let's get to Terminal 2 and wait the tram. See guys, look at this. There's the airplane right there on the Seneca planes. This is engine is chill. Yeah, it's just chill. There's the airplane right there. Alright, let's go down and get away the tram. So there's the airplanes. See, there's the airplanes on Seneca plane. It's not here the sidewalk line because it's gone, but now it's here great to go to the green airplane on Seneca plane. What else is? Let's see. Yeah, it's LDC Airlines right there. Alright, let's go down. Now let's see the next one. Nah, so we get this one right here. Arrivals. Alright, let's go to the on right near trains. Near tram. Alright, let's go to the trams. It's a very nice case. Wow, here at the Westwood City and now Liverpool schools and these massive ones. There goes the classic airplane right there. The scenic campus right there. Alright, next thing is already here. No, sorry. See? Wow, that was long, right? Amazing, I love this series song. Yeah. Amazing, wow. That was long, right? Amazing. Alright, let's just wait. Let's wait for new train. Oh, there goes the new train right there. The sky train right there. Alright, let's wait for next one. So
please hold on.
It's right here.
We are approaching International Terminal 1.
Oh yeah, this is not my things. Alright, let's get to Terminal 2. Oh, here it is. Alright, new train is already here. This was awesome right there. Alright, let's go.
This is International Terminal 1.
It's already here. Alright, let's get to domestic terminal 2 right there. And let's be called to home. Alright. Oh my, this is awesome. Get the new trains. And get this one right here. And to hear the free right there. And this one. This is a very nice new train, so
please stand clear of the doors.
Here we go. Let's get to International Terminal. There's another transport box. Alright, here we go.
Please hold on. We are leaving the station. Please hold on. We are leaving the station.
This is a very nice stuff. Extra color. I love these airplanes. That was awesome and cute. Well, now Libor and I'm pushing this trip to Westwood City on these scenic airplanes. It's going to be so awesome.
Please hold on. We are approaching Domestic Terminal 2 and Budget Terminal. Please remember to take your personal belongings with you.
Sorry, this Tower Airlines is not working because here we have this green airplane right there. Scenic airplane, LDC Airlines. Alright, here we are. That was awesome.
This is Domestic Terminal 2 and Budget Terminal.
And
next stop, International Terminal 3.
This is Domestic Terminal 2 and Budget Terminal.
Alright, let's go up.
Next stop, International Terminal 1.
The train's not departing. There is another right there. The train's not departing right there. So here we are, the Terminal 2 and Budget Terminal. And there is the airport. Alright, let's get to the car next one. And there goes the vehicle right there. I picked up this. Alright, let's go there. And there goes the engine right there. Skytrain there, guys. Alright, let's wait for the car right there. Alright, there goes the jet planes. At the margin right there, you hear the jet planes. Next one here, the jet plane this. really love Japanese awesome. Alright, now let's go down and let's for the car. So there goes the trains. Alright, let's wait for the car. Alright, bus, sorry. Bus is okay here. Now let's wait for the car. And that's it for now. See you guys at 4 or 5.